I was asked to draw the Lewis structure for toluene, which has a molecular formula of C7H8. If you're given C7H8, it's probably toluene, but it could be some other things, different ways to arrange these. But in this video, we'll do the Lewis structure for toluene. So a good way to think about toluene is that we have a benzene ring. So let's just cover up this methyl group here. That's benzene. So that's just our benzene ring. And if you need help drawing the Lewis structure for the benzene ring, I'll put a link at the end of this video here. So we have a benzene ring, and all we've done, we've just put this methyl group, this CH3, on the benzene ring, and that is what gives us this structure for toluene. When we look at the structure, we can see that we have carbons right here. These are all carbons, and you can see that over here, all of these carbons. And each carbon, that's going to have a hydrogen attached to it as well, except for this carbon right here, which has the carbon, the methyl group, attached to it. So each carbon has 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here, for example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the Lewis structure for toluene. You could call this a Lewis structure. Note that we do have resonance. So these double bonds here, they're averaged across the benzene. So sometimes I just show these dots here to show that we have resonance, that the actual structure is going to be an average of the double bonds. Let's take a quick look at this in 3 dimensions. So here's our toluene molecule. We have that methyl group up here at the top, and we have our alternating double bonds. When you look at it straight on from the methyl group, you can see that it's a pretty flat molecule. That's because that benzene group is flat. With the exception of the hydrogens here on the methyl group, it's a very flat molecule. So that's toluene, that's the molecular structure. Let's go back to the Lewis structure. And there you have it, the Lewis structure for toluene C7H8, a widely used organic chemical. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.